Alright guys, this is a little first impressions on something new. As you can see, it's Leatherman catalog, and let's search it up what I got for you guys today. Where is it? There it is. Over there is the freestyle and just the normal version. And let's see what it has. So 100% stainless steel body, Zytel handle insert, regular pliers, needle nose pliers, and 420 high carbon steel knife, wire cutters, hard wire cutters, removable pocket clips, so that's nice. And the measurements, I will show it first to you guys. Here it is. It's, there's the blade. It's locking with a liner lock, like that. And the measurements are closet length 3.45 inch, or 8 centimeters and 78 millimeters. Millimeters. Sorry. So, and the blade length, like that, it's 2.6 inches, or 6.6 centimeters. The weight is 4.5 ounces, pretty heavy for just a small tool like this. And 75 grams. So that's that one. In the catalog 2010, I don't know if it was on the 2008-2009 catalog, but you got grade 4, that says here, and we got a riding bicycle, we got the tent and a fish, so it's good for riding bikes. Let me show you. In the front, bicycling, camping and fishing, so that's nice. I like camping and bicycling. Fishing sometimes. Open it up. It's a 2CR, let's say that right, I can't read it that good, but over here on this, on this pivot under it, you see a little tool stand stamped in there. You can't see it on camera, but I know it's there. I think it's a 2CR stainless pliers, and just awesome. Love it. Look at how thin those plier tip is. Look at that, man. And I'll show you something. I did put my Victorinox small classic on my keychain, but let me get the blade off this one. You all know how big the blade on this one is. And look at this. The pliers are smaller than the blade in width, you see? So that's pretty small, fine. A pocket clip is, let me see, I don't know this yet, but I think it's removable for this side, the black side carry, and the what's the difference actually? No difference, might be left hand or right hand, I don't know. And the silver side, where's the arm now? It's it has no sheet, it has the pocket clip. The pocket clip is pretty strong actually. I like it, but on my pants, if you can see that, it's pretty hard to pretty hard to get on. Sometimes it will, yeah, get stuck beneath something. So the only problem I think I'm gonna mention is I was on my bike riding from my store to my home, and was just playing with it. I opened it up like this, and I opened it, and the blade came out, and the pliers, the handles, weren't moving. So that's not that nice. But yeah, I think you need to get that good grip, and you will get it open. It's not spring assisted, by the way. Spring loaded pliers, you know, but it's just manual like that. And yeah, actually like it, but I was like this one or the carbon or the skeleton. Skeleton was too expensive for me. It was around, let me think, $84 euros. So that's around yeah, around $100 dollars. And yeah, this is the freestyle, and the freestyle carbon was like 10 euros more, so that's $13 more. So let's round it off on, let me see, $80 for just a little tool. So I chose this one for 54 euros around. Yeah, around 65, 68 euros, I think. So like that. The only downside I've mentioned is when you take the pocket clip side in your hand, you have to get that curve over here on the back side of your hand. So when you do that, it's pretty comfortable, but when you don't do that, this pointy, the end is sticking in your hand, and when you put some pressure, it hurts, you know. So but anyway, nice melted tool, and make this video a little bit longer, because I'm finding out what the best EDC carry for me is. I will stay collecting knives, but I am thinking about taking. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you this on my on the freestyle cutting test. Just a little piece of paper. That's sharp. Serrations. It's, by the way, partially serrated. I wasn't clear at all with the review, actually. But to make this video a little bit shorter, it was just a first impression. So I will. Oh, what's that? Never mind. Oh, that's not nice. Look at this. This place, the ridge, and maybe tighten it up, but I will see what it's doing. So I got, right now I'm carrying, this one is going to my EDC. I think it's going to be my main blade, and just collect knives for what they are, and just sometimes carry one. But yeah, I think like a Spyderco is too aggressive for what country I live. So this ain't, but because yeah, you could. It's a milder though, you know. So and I got this one for even more friendly looks. Over here I got my new bag. Let me get it off. It's a Che Guevara bag, and my keys, I changed this one, as I told you already. Knife was still on. Alright, the Victorinox Classic on there. Just got one key and 3 tools on there. So compass, Victorinox Classic, and a bottle opener, like that. they're changed, and these ones are going in my bag. Some rolling tobacco. It's cheaper than cigarettes, so I smoke that. I'm not a rich boy. Wallet. Got the leather wallet back, and yeah, got some. And it was a trifold wallet, and the third piece was falling apart, so I cut it off. It's not that nice, not a clean cut, but does the job. Got a Stay Gold motherfucker sticker on there. It's a skating brand. What else do we got? Here we got the leatherman. Maybe I will still carry this one, but not too much, because I got my freestyle right now, and it has the pliers too and the knife. So, and this one has the flathead screwdrivers, so it's good enough. Over here, still got the cold steel pocket shark, like that, and my zipper. So that's you can see all of it. No. Let me put this in here. All right. So my keys. Let me get that all in frame there. What else do we got? I'm missing something. There it is. That's my Kindle flashlight. Love it. Seriously, I'm loving it. And yeah, it works fine for me. Got that impact striking mechanism over there. The kind of serrations. And yeah, I'm loving it. Got already one change on the battery. It died. And so yeah, they use it a lot, but alright, and I'm filming with my phone, so I can't show you that. I lost my phone sheet. That's not nice either. Yeah, that's about it, I believe. Let me get, yeah, the bag itself I will show you quick. Got some paper in there, but alright, it's closing with this. It has a magnet in there, and it got a zipper like that. Let me show you, like that. Got the main compartment. Oh, sorry guys. Got the main compartment over there. Got the small compartment for a phone and for some with a zipper over here, and we got one here. So thank you all for watching, guys. Appreciate it, and see you next time.